In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your eBay transaction as a buyer. We know that sometimes you make a purchase decision and then realize it was not quite the right fit or the timing isn't optimal. Fortunately, eBay's platform allows buyers to cancel their transaction if certain conditions are met, and I'll be guiding you through each step of the process to ensure a smooth experience. To begin, head over to ebay.com and log into your account if you aren't already signed in. Once logged in, you'll want to navigate to the My eBay section. You can do this by hovering your mouse over the My eBay link at the top right of the homepage. When the drop-down menu appears, click on Purchase History. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all your recent eBay purchases. Find the order you wish to cancel in your purchase history. Here, it's very important to ensure you choose the correct item, especially if you've made multiple purchases recently. Carefully scan through the list of orders and confirm the details match the one you want to cancel. After identifying the correct order, look towards the right-hand side for the More Actions button. Clicking on this will reveal a menu with several options related to your order. From this drop-down, select Cancel Order. It's worth noting that a cancellation request is possible only if the seller hasn't shipped the item yet. If the item has already been dispatched, this option may not appear, and you may need to communicate directly with the seller for potential returns. Once you've clicked Cancel Order, you'll be directed to a confirmation page. Here, you'll need to click on the Submit button to finalize your cancellation request. Before submitting, sometimes it's valuable to double-check your decision, ensuring you're indeed ready to proceed with canceling this particular transaction. After submission, the cancellation request will be sent to the seller. Remember, the seller needs to approve your cancellation for it to be processed successfully. Keep an eye out for any communication from the seller regarding the status of your request, as they might want to confirm or discuss the cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully put through a request to cancel your eBay transaction. Always keep in mind that not every cancellation request will be granted, as certain conditions must be met. It's also good practice to keep a record of any correspondence with the seller, just in case you need to reference it later. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.